Hello everyone. Today I will share a very fun online game, Angry Bird game, Fling the Teacher, from the ClassTools.net. ClassTools.net has a lot of fun free games template for teachers to be able to use. It's very friendly for online teaching, and you can play the live instant game, or you can do a synchronous game as a homework to students. So today my goal is to share the Angry Bird game, Fling the Teacher. From this website, you click on the template. When you click on the Create Your Own Fling the Teacher quiz, the template, it will pop up this page. This gives you instruction how to create the quiz. First, we give the title of the quiz. So today I will give an example as fruit and vegetable in Chinese. So I will So this you can type any language in here. And the most important you need know is each quiz it asks you create 15 questions, and each question on separate lines. Each question need have 4 possible answers. So in the first part, you type your question. The second part, when you add the space, you don't have to add the number. You can add a number. Usually I do not add number, but you have to add the star. And the correct answer you usually put in the beginning. Then follow 3 other wrong answers. So here I have all 15 questions, and this one I do the vocabulary test. So I have English as a question, then have a space, then add the star here, then add the correct answer in the first one, space, star, and follow 3 other wrong answers. So this is very important. We need to follow the format, otherwise it will not be able to create the quiz. So when you finish 15 questions, you click on Create Game. So in order to edit in the future, so you need to add your password. And after that, you click on OK. So you can copy this link. Copy this link to share to your student as homework or class activity. So after you click on OK, it will generate the game. And also you can upload a picture as the Angry Bird game and Angry Bird face. So I will random choose a picture from my computer. Now I successfully replace the Angry Bird face. So when you finish, you can share here the link or the link you just copied before to the Google Classroom or post on your Google Slide. Then share to students. Students can play at home or in the online class. Let's try take the test. So when you take the test, they give you 3 heart lines as help. So they will help you if you cannot answer certain questions. For example, I don't know which character is vegetable, so I will ask the smartest person, Einstein. So, he gave me the correct answer. So I choose 蔬菜. And if I still don't know this, what letters is, so I will ask a vote. So the audience vote, usually they will vote. Majority people got the correct answer, so I trust them. I select D as my correct answer. So if my answer is correct, it will reward me the blood, so I can play for the later game. And I also can use this help line. It will take out 2 wrong answers. Now from 2, I will select 1 as my answer. So yeah, I got correct. If you got correct, your blood will get higher and higher. And so now I finish use all my helpline. So I need to rely on myself. What if I choose a wrong answer? Oh, if I choose a wrong answer, it will ask me play again. So I will start from the beginning and pick the correct answer. Vegetable is 蔬菜. And lettuce is 生菜. And broccoli is 西兰花. Celery is 芹菜. Corn is 玉米. Chinese cabbage is 白菜. And tomato is 番茄. Chili pepper is 辣椒. Chicken is 鸡肉. Pork is 猪肉. Beef is 牛肉. And as you can see from here, the time taken, it will record how long you play the game. You do your quiz. Fish is 鱼. The shrimp is 虾. I have one more question. And the duck is 鸭肉. Yeah, I finished the quiz and got all correct. So they reward me 1 minute to play the game. Oh, I missed. So let's try. It's in. Oh no, I missed again. I'm very bad at this game. Yes, got 1 point. Okay. Yes, another point. Go! Oh, I missed. Yay! That's 3 points. I have 12 seconds. Yay! 4 points. I have 1 second. Oh, so I got my score is 224. So that's the game. If you want to play the game, you have to do the quiz again, and in order to play the Angry Bird game. And this only if you use the free account. The only disadvantage is they have the you can see the advertisement here, but it's okay. We can ignore that. It didn't bother us when we enjoying the game. Yes, that's just my sharing for today. The Angry Bird game, Fling the Teachers. Hope it useful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.